Okay, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. What apps have you recently used? I mean mobile applications. So what mobile applications have you used recently?
Well, recently I'm using WhatsApp, Facebook and YouTube, which helps me in my studies, and I think these are also an essential part of our life.
Good.
Yes.
Alright, tanu hasa kyun aa raha hai, huh? Come on. Listen, the question is in present perfect tense. What apps have you used recently? Very recently, I have used WhatsApp along with Facebook application,
Yes.
because these two apps are for socializing. One of my friends went abroad, so for her, I had to use these two applications. So very recently, I've just started using these applications and I really like them. That's it. Okay? Yeah. Be confident. Next, go on. What kind of apps are you usually interested in? What sort of apps are you usually interested in?
I understand your question.
Good.
Let me.
Are you just trying to get the answer from
No,
there?
no.
There is the answer. Come on.
I like the apps which helps me to improve my English. Like I tried Cambly.
All right.
Yes, and
Yeah. That's it. इस वीडियो दे कैमले ने पैसे नहीं देने. Let's go on. Okay. All right. Listen. You need to speak confidently. What kind of apps are you usually interested in? I am usually interested in educational apps because educational apps provide me an opportunity to learn. I know there is an app where I'm improving my English, and there is another app where I improve my English pronunciation. So
Yes.
such type of apps are my most favorite. अल्लाह की कसम झूठ बोल रहा हूँ. Okay, yes, you just need to go on like this. Be excited about the answer and all that. Yeah, मेरी रूह जो है ना आप लोगों में चली जाए, स्पीकिंग का टेस्ट देके वापस कर दें. Okay, something like that. Let's go on. What was the first mobile app that you used?
the first mobile app which I use is WhatsApp.
All right.
Because WhatsApp helps me to connect with my parents, my family, and with my friends and relatives also, and we can share our pictures, we can video call, and that.
All right. I was in class 1 when I started using WhatsApp actually. Yeah, that was introduced at that time.
Yes.
Quiet, not a word. Okay. What kind of mobile apps would you like to use in the future?
I like to use.
I would like to
I
use.
would-
Question is in future. I would like to use.
I would like to use that. I would like to use that apps which help me in my education, because these days, because of coronavirus, all the education system is online. So that's why I will prefer those apps which help me.
Okay. Now
do
listen.
my work.
Listen. 2 to 3 things. Number 1, you should have readily available content for your answer. Content means what you have to speak. Second, willingness to express yourself, and third, confidence. Your voice should show confidence. Okay, so I mean answer in 4-5 sentences quickly, confidently, without any problem. Let's go on. It's your turn, please. No, don't touch it. Don't touch this mic. Okay, let it be there. You are here now. What is your favorite color and why?
Well, I love pink color, and because I like to shop my clothes mostly in pink color, and I am a working woman, and mostly I buy my headscarf in pink color, and recently now I am wearing the pink color.
Okay,
as well.
that's very good. Just use some correcting words when you join these sentences. Otherwise, this answer is good. Very good. See, you're already having pink color. So, good one. What is the color that you dislike, or is there any color that you dislike?
Well, I don't like black color because I don't find the black color as a vibrant color. I like the colors that are vibrant, eye-catching, and attract other people as well.
Very good. What colors do your friends like most?
Well, it depends upon their choice.
depends.
It depends upon their choice, but mostly I observe that they like the dark color.
They like.
They like dark color, as there is a myth that in dark colors people looks slim as
Slim.
well. That's why I mostly find them wearing black, brown, or the red, the dark color
Okay.
as well.
What is the most popular color in your country?
It depends upon the.
It depends upon.
It depends upon the people, and I think nowadays in my country black color is most popular because it is being used by the men and women equally, and there is no color discrimination that only women can put on the black color. That's why in nowadays black color is most popular in my country.
Do you like to wear dark colors or bright colors?
Well, I don't like to wear dark colors. I like to put on the bright color that look cool, because I like the cool colors like pink, light orange, like yellow color, parrot, that give me a cool
These
look.
colors give me.
These color gives me a cool look, and these are a source of satisfaction for me. as
Okay,
well.
that's good. You got few mistakes with subject verb agreement.
Okay.
Like it depends, colors give me, not gives me,
Okay.
right? Otherwise, it's all good. The content of your answer is really good. So just try to connect your ideas. You'll be really fine. Okay?
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very
much.
much. Thank you.